The crisp autumn air of September is almost upon us, a time when the hockey world begins its annual reawakening. For teams across the NHL, this period marks the final preparations before training camps open, and with it, the strategic signing of players to professional tryout PTO agreements. These often overlooked contracts can be gold mines, unearthing hidden gems, or providing veteran depth at minimal risk. For the Montreal Canadiens, a team meticulously built for future contention, but still seeking to optimize its roster, the PTO market presents a unique opportunity. And among the remaining free agents, one name stands out as a particularly intriguing candidate: forward Elie Tolvanen. The Canadiens, despite their impressive accumulation of young talent and their recent playoff success, could still benefit from adding another top-9 winger. While the core is locked up and the future is bright, the relentless grind of an 82-game season, coupled with the intensity of playoff push, demands depth, versatility, and proven NHL experience. Tolvanen, a 27-year-old winger, has demonstrated throughout his career that he can be precisely that kind of contributor. Let's delve into Tolvanen's recent performance, which makes him such an appealing prospect. During this past season with the Seattle Kraken, he recorded a respectable 12 goals and 36 points. These numbers, while solid, don't tell the full story. Crucially, he also registered an impressive 187 hits, showcasing a physical edge and a willingness to engage in forecheck and win puck battles, attributes highly valued by Martin St. Louis and the Canadiens' coaching staff. This performance followed a career-high season in 2024-25, where he truly broke out, scoring 23 goals and accumulating 35 points in 81 games with Seattle. In that same season, he further emphasized his physical game by finishing with a remarkable 237 hits. These statistics paint a picture of a player who can not only contribute offensively, but also bring a consistent, hard-nosed element to his game. He's not just a perimeter player. He's willing to go to the dirty areas, retrieve pucks, and create space for his line mates. For a Canadiens team that prides itself on its work ethic and relentless forecheck, Tolvanen's style of play would be a natural fit. With numbers like these, Tolvanen would be a very intriguing player for the Canadiens to invite to their training camp on a PTO. A PTO offers a low-risk, high-reward proposition. It allows the team to evaluate the player in a competitive environment, assess his conditioning, and see how he integrates with the existing roster and coaching philosophy, all without committing to a full contract. If he performs well, he earns a spot. If not, the team moves on with no financial obligation. This kind of flexibility is invaluable for a team like Montreal, which is carefully managing its cap space and roster spots. In fact, one could argue that it would even make sense for the Canadiens to sign him to a short-term deal without the need for a PTO. His recent production, particularly the 23-goal season, suggests he's a proven NHL commodity who could command a modest, short-term contract. A 1 or 2 year deal at a reasonable cap hit would provide immediate depth and experience without blocking the path of younger prospects in the long run. It would be a calculated risk, but one with a strong potential for reward. Tolvanen's career totals further underscore his value. In 423 career NHL games over 8 seasons, he has posted 92 goals, 98 assists, and 190 points. This consistent production, combined with staggering 985 hits, demonstrates a player who's been a reliable, two-way contributor throughout his time in the league. He's not a flash in the pan. He's a seasoned veteran who understands what it takes to succeed in the NHL. The Canadiens' current roster, while exciting, could benefit from Tolvanen's specific skill set. He brings a right-shot option, which is always valuable for balance on the power play and in the offensive zone. His ability to score 20-plus goals provides a legitimate scoring threat, something the Canadiens are always looking to enhance. Furthermore, his physical play and hit totals suggest he could be a valuable asset on the forecheck, in puck retrieval, and in providing a defensive conscience on a scoring line. He could slot into a third-line role, providing offensive punch and defensive responsibility, or even push for a second-line spot if his chemistry with other players is strong. The impact of a player like Tolvanen extends beyond just his individual statistics. He brings experience to a relatively young Canadiens forward group. He's played in playoff games. He's navigated the ups and downs of an NHL season, and he understands the demands of professional hockey. This veteran presence, particularly in a top-9 role, can be invaluable for mentoring younger players and providing a calming influence during challenging stretches. It will be interesting to see if the Canadiens make a push for Talvin. General Manager Kent Hughes has shown a willingness to take calculated risks and find value in the market. Talvin, as a free agent with a proven track record and a desirable skill set, fits the mold of a player Hughes might target. He could be a nice, affordable addition to their roster if they sign him for the season, providing immediate impact and depth without compromising the team's long-term vision or financial flexibility. For the Canadiens, the upcoming training camp is not just about evaluating their existing talent. It's about finding those final pieces that can push them over the top. Elie Talvin represents a compelling opportunity to add a proven physical, top-9 winger at a potentially bargain price. Whether through a PTO or a short-term contract, his presence could significantly strengthen Montreal's forward group and further solidify their status as a rising force in the conference. So, Canadiens Nation, what are your thoughts on Eeli Talvin as a potential PTO or short-term signing? Do you believe his combination of scoring ability and physical play will be a valuable addition to our top 9? How important is it for the Canadiens to add a veteran presence like Talvin to complement our young core? Let us know your opinions in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of every strategic play, every smart signing, and every development that shapes the future of our beloved Montreal Canadiens, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because in the relentless pursuit of the Stanley Cup, every piece, no matter how it's acquired, can make all the difference.